Standard 3rd, Environmental Studies, Lesson number 23, Growing Up and Growing Old. Now in this session we shall discuss the remaining part of the lesson. Do you know a baby is given vaccines to prevent the diseases it may contract later? A baby is given proper vaccines, and why the vaccines we are giving? We are giving to prevent the diseases, and certain vaccines have to be given at certain stages of growth. At certain stages of growth the vaccines has to be given, and it is important to give every child the proper vaccinations. Look here, a small baby is given the oral vaccination. Here the vaccination is injected in the body of a child, and here also the proper vaccination is given. And can you tell, there are 3 pictures of the same mango tree. Now which is the oldest picture? The oldest picture is this picture. Why? Because the branches and the trunk of the mango tree is not grown to its fullest. Is not grown. This one is the oldest one, and slowly it has grown, and and the recent picture is this picture, because this is a fully grown mango tree and it is laden with mangoes. So this one is the recent one. Now we shall discuss the growth of plant, how the growth of plant take place. Just as people change over a period of time, so do plants. Plants also change. When a seed sprouts, look here the seed is sprouting or germinate, and from these seeds a new plant will come out, is produced. For the sprout to grow, it must take root. First of all, for the sprout to grow, means see it is coming out of the soil, the root must grow, and it should grow in the soil. Only then does the seedling that grows from the sprout flourish. Means slowly it will come out of the soil, and then when the roots are growing in the soil, the plant will come out of the soil. Now look at this picture. It is not fully developed, and this is properly developed tree. Now how are the stages? How to find out the stages? So at the proper stage of its growth, the plant begins to flower. The plant begins to flower. How the plant begins to flower? Let us see. Now fruit develop from flowers. Here flowers. These fruits have seeds, and from these seeds new plants grow. Let us see in the circle how the cycle is going on. See, we are sowing seeds here. Seed is germinating, and from this the plant is come out. So the plant is growing now slowly, and after that the plant is growing here, and when it is developed properly, the flowers are there in that plant. From that flowers, fruits are developed, and these fruits, we use these fruits. After eating these fruits, we throw the seeds. So again the same cycle goes, like seeds are being sown in the soil, germination, plant is growing slowly it is growing. Flowers have come. From the flowers, fruit has come. Fruits we are eating. From that we are taking seeds we are sowing in the soil. So this cycle goes on. This is a cycle, and it shows the growth of a plant. A tree. Now see, look at this tree. Many times we have seen tree. A tree must withstand the sun, wind and rain all the time. Sometimes it is attacked by pests. Some pests are there, so slowly the tree become weak. This make the tree weaker. When the pests are there in the tree, it makes the tree weaker, and at last the tree trunk breaks and it falls down. All plants die. How we human beings die? In the same way, all plants die. However, the causes are different. There are different causes, but all living things have to die. So what we have learnt? We have learnt there are certain stages of growth and progress of a baby. A person continues to grow till what age? Till the age of 18. And after 40 years of age, a person approaches old age. Changes takes place in plants with time, just as we do in people. Starting from germination in the soil, there are definite stages of the growth of plants. Plant also grow in height and strength. Now, animals or plants all come to end eventually. Means some or the other day animals or plant will definitely die. Next, always remember, now what we have to remember in this lesson? We have to remember a proper diet and regular exercise. We should have proper diet and regular exercises are necessary for keeping good health. So from today onwards, keep on having your proper diet and do regular exercise for keeping your health good. Thank you.